Hey everybody, my name is Tom, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add another website in Amazon Affiliate. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Amazon, go to right click and go to here to account settings. Now here where you will be, you want to click on edit your website and mobile app list. And here you're gonna select enter your website. So what you want to do is like, I don't know, add here a website like .com, click add, next, no, and confirm. And voila, here you got it. I can simply edit your website and add a new website in Amazon affiliate program. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Goodbye.